Hi Kickstarter, my name is Tom Murray. Last year, with the help of hundreds of backers, I successfully funded the Smarty Pi Raspberry Pi case here on Kickstarter. The Smarty Pi was a success and I had lots of fun during the campaign. Now I would like to introduce you to the Smarty Pi Touch. It is a case for the official Raspberry Pi display, which also holds a Raspberry Pi 2, B+, or A+. The design is super sleek and versatile. It allows you to create a highly optimized package for your official Pi display and Pi board. It also works with hats and has an adjustable angle. Let me show you a bit more about it. The Smarty Pi Touch is a highly optimized case and stand for the official Raspberry Pi Touch display. It holds the display and one Raspberry Pi at a variety of angles. It also includes a LEGO-compatible Raspberry Pi camera case that can attach via LEGO bricks. The Raspberry Pi is enclosed under a door in the back of the case. The GPIO pins are accessible, which means you can attach any hat board to the back. When the hat board is attached, a micro USB-Y cable powers the display and Pi at the same time. There are also optional screw mount brackets available, which allow you to screw the stand to a surface. These screw brackets allow you to mount to other surfaces and create more clearance in the back for taller hat boards. The screw mount brackets also allow you to screw through your own mounting base, giving your case its own custom look. Rewards start at a low Kickstarter price of $20, a fantastic price for a one-of-a-kind case. I hope you can help me and back the Smarty Pi Touch and make it a reality. And thank you for your support.
Over the last several decades, technology has been evolving rapidly. From the first bulky computers with lots of wires that filled entire rooms, to iPads, tablets, and the birth of the Raspberry Pi, our favourite mini-computer. The main aim has always been simplicity, to make everyone's lives easier and better. And that's exactly what we're doing at Pi Supply. We're taking that next step and simplifying things even further. Which is why we came up with this. But don't worry, we haven't reinvented the Ethernet. We just want to show you what you can do with only one cable. The Pipeo allows you to power your Raspberry Pi and provide an Ethernet connection in any location with just a single cable. It's perfect for removing the clutter of wires. Pipeo also offers intelligent power management, a configurable onboard button for turning it on and off, leaves all the GPIO pins free for use with other add-on boards, and comes fully assembled with no soldering required. Finally, it provides power to the Pi over its GPIO pins and sends the Ethernet connection using a patch cable, allowing you to use it for some amazing applications on a large scale. With the Pipeo, you can power the networking of this entire building. Power over Ethernet is already being used in so many devices like computers, IP telephones, web servers, and even in the music industry. And now you can use it with your Raspberry Pi. Pipeo is a revolutionary device with so many awesome features we know you'll love. We can't wait to see what kind of applications you'll use it for, but to help make this project happen, we need your support. Please back our project on Kickstarter and help make this simple gesture a reality.
The Raspberry Pi has enthralled the STEM education world. A tiny credit card-sized computer for $25, hobbyists, students, and nerds are snapping the Raspberry Pi up by the millions. They're doing some amazing stuff with it. Computer game clones, entertainment systems, teaching kids how to code, and feeding their pets over the internet. It has been embraced as a computer, but it has even more potential as a robot. Our dream is to turn your Raspberry Pi into a robot. And we will do that with something we've made called the Brick Pi. The Brick Pi combines the hackable computing power of the Raspberry Pi with easy-to-build modular Legos. The Brick Pi makes robotics with Raspberry Pi simple. The Brick Pi system consists of two parts: a board that slides over your Raspberry Pi and connects it to Lego motors and sensors, and a plastic case that connects your Raspberry Pi perfectly with the Lego technique. If you can dream up a robot, you can snap it together. Lego makes building the robot easy. The Brick Pi unites these two systems together so anyone can make an awesome robot. What makes it so awesome? The Brick Pi has 3 motor ports that power standard Lego Mindstorm motors and read encoder values back. There are 4 sensor ports for connecting Lego Mindstorm sensors like the touch sensor, color sensor, and gyroscope. The Brick Pi has 2 LEDs to add visual life to your robot. A 9-volt battery power source powers the motors, sensors, and Raspberry Pi, untethering the Pi from the wall socket. We designed the Brick Pi to be easy to build with. The motor ports and drivers are clustered together for maximum power delivery. We've spaced the sensor ports around the front and sides for easy access when building your robot. The pins on the brick pie are left open on the top, so you can stack more sensors and extensions onto your robot. We designed a sturdy case with holes that snap Legos in and can be used to build a robot around. The brick pie is totally open source and totally hackable. Firmware is simple and is written in Arduino, so modifying it is easy. All of the designs for hardware and software are kept online.
John,
and open.
he's wired in. You shut your mouth. He's wired in.